Hey guys, welcome back. We're working on my car, and today we're working on the transmission. Yeah. We're doing that first.
What are we doing first?
We're taking this thingy off, or this thing right here. We're unscrewing them first. Unscrewing, or whatever you're gonna call it. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do today. Exciting.
Why do you can't get it?
Strong enough.
What? You're not strong enough? Find something.
Huh?
No.
On this?
Watch here, just make sure it don't slip. And go straight back. Stay on the bolt and pull that straight back. Sometimes the rubber helps.
Whoa! That's so cool. I'm powerful now.
Are you powerful now?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Almost there. Almost. Wait. Almost there. Just give me like 2 more seconds.
2, 3.
There. There you go. Now what are we doing?
Okay, now you find a rubber mallet and we're start smacking around this.
What's a rubber mount? Oh, that's a huge like this.
Yep, little rubber thing. It should have a wooden handle on it, and it could be in the toolbox. It should be around here somewhere.
Okay. Wait, this Cody?
That's it.
So what am I doing?
Just kind of you need to loosen up around it.
So do I hit right here?
Just take it.
Where at?
See where it's all connected? Make sure you don't hit nothing with plastic.
So I'm just hitting it?
Yeah, just go around it. See that? That's what you want.
Yeah.
Start to pop loose. That's what we want.
Oh.
Okay. Once you get it up, you can take her out. Just make sure again. Just watch out what you're hitting.
I'm pretty sure you already did it.
Well, there you go. Pop it out.
Dang, girl.
Woo woo! Look at that. There's the inside of the transmission.
Here. Send it a little bit.
Maddie, hold this.
Okay. I'm gonna send it to your grandma. Okay.
Be sure to watch for a new YouTube.
A new what?
YouTube video.
Oh.
Now we got this out of the way. Now we need to start clearing.
Okay.
Now I'm gonna take this part. We gotta make sure you get it right back in there.
Do you want me to put these
On the chair or
on the
something.
chair or something?
That way we know how it goes back together.
Oh.
There you go.
Where do you want to put this?
Right here. We're gonna go in line this way, then we'll start back. Kind of like how you read a book.
Okay. And then
Now, before you take anything else out, when you make sure you put the bolts back with the part we just put.
do you want me to just put them back in here?
That'll work.
What? What?
Take that out.
See if I can take it out?
Yep. Might just pull it out. This whole thing might just come out with it.
Okay.
There you go. And then she go pull that thing out. I'll put it right next to this one. There's another piece coming out. And you just keep going there. You know what this is here, right here?
No.
This is your parking brake.
Oh.
This is actually what stops your car when you put it in park.
Yeah. Does this come out?
It should. You have to take a screwdriver, or even if you want to, you can do one of these. Okay. There you go. Boom! Look at that guy.
Oh yeah. What are you doing?
You got all new stuff there? Perfect. That's all you need. Set that to the side of the garage somewhere or wherever. Maybe just in the corner back there. down.
That's
Sit it
cool.
down over here. What else can you take out? Take this.
I'm gonna go get my fire iron off.
Make sure you watch traffic.
There you go. Look at that. This guy right here is a giant clip holding this in. So what we need to do is take this. I'll put some pressure through it. That's going to knock that out. But all I'm going to do is grab this. So if it pops, it hits my hand and not my face.
Okay.
Now remove that. Same thing. Slide it over here. And running out of space.
Yep.
Alright. Looks like we have another one of those clips. You can give it a shot.
Okay. So I get.
Start up.
Oh,
Start
sorry.
at the edge.
Yeah.
Yep. Wait, wait.
He's 21.
Oh my bad.
So you replace these little guys. Brown.
I thought Alyssa was the oldest.
Nope.
Another one! Let's try and run out of. Do we have another table in there?
That black one.
No, I went to school with that girl.
I'm gonna need to like.
There's
Is that is it hold here a little bit?
No.
Hold here a little bit.
That's no relation to anybody.
Oh, there we
There you go. She's perfectly round, so she can get it down a certain way.
But who are you saying was that you thought the oldest
Oh,
was?
There we go.
Alyssa.
Yeah. I'm pretty sure I chipped my finger down.
There we go. Same thing with this guy, another retainer clip.
Where do you think
See that spring?
Oh
They're
yeah.
pissed off.
Another thing to make sure everything goes back to the way you
He's
had it
got
when you
one
switch
more
gears and
tire.
stuff.
Yeah.
Don't worry, keep trying.
And we can try to pull these little guys.
Is that side full of oil too?
Now the oil's out. It should be out now. Put it down just like that. Oh, yeah, that'll work.
Oh. Do you think this will pop out now?
Okay. Just slide it, put it over there, yes.
Actually going. Having fun?
Mm-hmm. Got it, Cody.
Did you get it? Good.
Do I take any of this other stuff out?
Yeah, go for it. Just try to leave them as they come out.
Yeah, because now it's just the.
Try to take them all out in a pack.
In a pack. Okay.
That way we can leave them exactly the way they come out. So this one will go on top of the other ones and stuff like that. If you can.
Are these supposed to be with the springs?
Oh, Chris, I don't know where that one went.
Oh.
So when you pull this out, that's another spring thing will be on the other side.
Mhm.
It might just be one and then maybe another retainer. I'm not sure.
Oi.
Don't worry about it. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. You didn't even get it. Yeah, they're all Chris's bike. For what? They got enough coffee. There's 4 in the fridge.
No. That's one. Don't put a hole in my tires,
You want to
Ethan.
take this off?
Ethan,
Yeah.
don't put a hole in my
And then
tires.
you get different gloves.
No, don't put a hole in mine.
Oh, there it is.
Get them all out?
I think so.
Okay.
Whoa!
Look at that!
What the heck?
Yeah, it's a little magnet. Can look some metals.
It's muddy.
Yep, that's all. That's metal on. You didn't clean them off.
Clean this. Yeah, that looks kind of gross.
Yeah, you can't reuse them.
Gross. Now what?
Best thing we can do. Loosen up this bolt right here.
So
and
fun
this will
to
pop
get
off
out
and
here.
stretch.
Yeah. Grace, get their balls. Get their tire.
There you go. And this should pop out.
Good.
Oh,
Do I
just
have to
one.
put it back in first before I connect everything, or can I connect it and then put it back in?
Put it connected, put it back in. Because the battery's connected in there.
Hold on. Come here. No, come here. Come here.
And that's the filter for the transmission.
Whoa.
Oh,
Do you want me to put that over there?
Almost.
Yep. So there's a quick video on how to take apart the transmission. It is fully disassembled and ready for some new parts. It's not looking too bad. All the gears look nice, so I'm not too worried about those. We are going to replace these little disc things here. As they get older, pull them apart. Those little guys right here got a little padding on it. As they get older, the padding will wear out and won't work as well as they used to. It won't grip like they're supposed to. So we'll replace those, and hopefully this will act like a new transmission. Here she is, all apart. Some more of those. Got some more inside of here. So we'll take this all apart. There's some fresh ones in. Throw it back together. We'll probably end up replacing the speed sensor and cleaning her out and then calling her good. So that's it for the video today. Thanks for joining us, and catch you guys next time. Thanks.